welcome back to my channel, The Token Trackers, and in this video we are quickly going to discuss about information registration on the ARI wallet, Evm wallet address linking, Twitter handle linking, Discord linking. So we are going to do the information linking for the ARI wallet and also Discord account. But before we go into that, if you are new into my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscription button, turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. This is the ARIX official account, and then you can see that they just made this tweet about some hours ago, and they said the ARI wallet in-app information registration update has been completed. Please complete the following steps. So the first step is that we are going to register our Evm wallet address. So that is the first thing. This Evm means Ethereum virtual machine. So we are going, that is what we are going to be registering. It is, make sure that you watch this video so that you won't make a mistake, because some people might mistake it for ARI wallet address. Look at what they said. They say enter your wallet address such as MetaMask. Do not use your ARI wallet address. Twitter handle, Discord handle, they say please make sure to complete this process. Once again, we want to emphasize that we do not connect or access your wallet directly. Be careful of scam links and fake announcements. Well, they are talking this one right here in terms of what happened yesterday, so let me just ignore that part. Now let's head back to our ARI wallet. Click on the testnet right here. So the first thing is to update our app so that we can have access to those latest updates that they have improved. So you click on update, and then it will take you to your app store, Apple Store or Play Store or whatever thing. You click on update, then you just go ahead, click on open, click on testnet again, and then you're going to see right here which says submit your task proof. So let's submit our task proof. This task is going to expire in 17 days, 15 hours, 11 minutes and 20 seconds, as you can see right here. So let's click on submit. So once you click on submit, you're going to see the first thing is to submit your Evm wallet address. So how do you get your Evm wallet address? Head over to your MetaMask. So this is your MetaMask. Now if you come right here, you'll see that it is on Ethereum right here. If yours is not on Ethereum, you can see popular networks right here, so you can click on that. So once you click on these popular networks here, you can change to any network of your choice. If your own is showing BNB, you can easily change over there. So if you come right here, so I'm just going to leave one. Let me unlink all of this. Now make sure that you are not using a wallet that you are keeping your assets for just security reasons. I'm not saying that it is going to affect anything, but use a wallet that is not that does not have anything to do with your assets. Now we are going to leave it on Ethereum. Now if your own is not showing Ethereum or maybe BNB or any other blockchain, just click here, and then you are going to just go over. In your own case, you might see Ethereum magnet to select that Ethereum. So mine is already selected. What you are going to do next is to come over to receive right here. It is going to come over here, so you can come over to Ethereum. You see Ethereum right here. So after clicking on receive, so you copy your address right here. So once it copies, the next thing will not be to head back to your ARI wallet like this. So you are going to go ahead and paste that address right here, and then the next thing here, they say you should submit your Discord handle. So how do you get your Discord handle? So once you come over on your Discord like this, you're going to see you right here. So click on the you right here, and then come over to this setting right here, click on it, and then you see account, click on it, and then you are going to see that this is your username right here, which is mine is the Token Trackers right here. So you can see that. So you are just going to head back and then type the Discord handle. So the next thing will not be to insert submit our X handle. Now a lot of you have your X handle already. You know, your X account has been suspended. If you look right here, mine too is also suspended, and then you can see that because you can see there are no followers, and then I'm not following anybody, so it has been suspended. But this is the account that I linked to my ARI wallet, so I will just copy the username and then go back. Why am I using that same username? It is because that is the username that I was using for activity task in the ARI wallet. So they have the information that I have been using to complete tasks has been saved at their own back end. So that is the X account that they recognize, and probably they should know that X usually suspend accounts like that. So now I'll just go ahead and enter the username right here. So I'll just go ahead, click on verify. Once you click on verify, you can see now this is my account balance right here in the ARI wallet. So you click on submit. So once you click on submit, you see task proof submitted successfully. So now read this part, is very, very important. They said to complete your proof submission, please enter the same information, wallet address, Discord handle and Twitter handle using your submitted Discord account. So now we need to go and do something in our Discord, which is to complete this information registration right here. So let's go ahead, click on go home. So once you come home, first of all, before we head over there, if you look right here, you see that we have successfully submitted, and then we can still edit it. Until this time elapses, we still have the opportunity to edit any information we feel like. If you want to change anything, you can just click on edit and then go and change. You can change your X account, your Discord, your Evm wallet address. So we have completed the ARI own. So let's head back to Discord. So all you need to do is come over. You can see ARI right here. So this is where we are. So you can see that this white line shows that is where we are. So you see account registration right here. Click on it. Hashtag account registration. Then just scroll down a little bit. Scroll up. Is it up? So let's scroll around. So you are going to see account registration right here. You see this? Click on it. So once you click on it, you are going to come over to this page. Now listen very carefully so that you won't make any mistake. A lot of people are having issues right here. So what you are going to do is simple. Just come down here. You see this place where there is a message form. Type this arrow, this one. So just type on it. You can see ARI account registration board just appeared up. Just click on it and then it is going to enter in your text box. So you click on send. So once you send it, this page is going to appear. So they requested us for 3 things. The first one is our EVM address. So we paste that same address. We copy it from our MetaMask. So that is what we are pasting here. So once you paste it, you now come here. What is your X handle? You now type it. So the next thing, they said ARI wallet. This is where you are going to enter your ARI wallet address now, not your EVM again. So now you head back to your ARI wallet, and then on our ARI wallet we are going to come to receive and then click on copy. So once you copy, now you can now head back to your Discord and then come here and then paste it. So we have pasted. So click on submit. So once you click on submit, now this activity, if you look at this one now, you see that they didn't request for our Discord user handle. It is because we are using Discord. So once we submit this, they know that it is from so and so Discord handle. So we don't need that one. So you just click on submit. So once you click on submit, we have successfully done it. So you see mine has just kept up. This is mine right here. Your wallet information has been saved. Resubmit anytime or update. So you can see so many people are actually also registering their own. So you can see as it is currently updating. That's why mine just pushed up, because a lot of people are doing the task at the same time. So that is how you can follow up to be able to submit your information. Remember, it is one of the key criteria. If you miss this part, you might not be qualified for the airdrop. That will be all for now, guys. Please, if you are new into my YouTube channel, or if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. So thank you so much, guys. See you in my next video.